The goal of this activity is to work on your rotational deceleration capabilities. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to get a med ball. You want it to be a light one because you're going to throw this quickly. My left leg is going to be the plant leg in this case. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the med ball, I'm going to put it right by my left hip. I'm going to step back and down in a very high split stance. So just for reference, I'm only going about that amount. You want to make sure on the plant leg that the foot stays flat, and as you get into position, you don't let the knees cave that way. From here, I'm going to do a fake rainbow slam. So I'm going to step back and down, ball comes up. Here, I make sure I look straight ahead, and I don't let my knees go in like that. So at slow speed, it's this. Now, if I do it at fast speed, I'm here and there, really trying to make sure that I keep this knee centered and I don't let that drive happen. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.